Hi, this is Gal Liron.
Hello. We are here to share with you about this incredible, amazing program that we built for you to change the habit and the way you're doing relationship.
We all know that when we are with each other for a while, it's easy to get stuck in the routine,
Right.
and the relationship kind of goes sideways.
Yes.
You don't feel as close as with each other. You feel kind of distant. You may be doing okay, but you don't feel excited. You're not feeling alive.
Mm-hmm. So in this program, we are going to teach you tools and skills that you can apply for everyday life experience. So you will get videos, you will get exercise, you will work with therapists that will guide you through the process, and even with AI.
What we want to focus on is really changing habits. Right? We know that sometimes you can get a big experience and you learn a lot about yourself, but you don't know how to apply it. So it doesn't become a habit and it takes a lot of effort. And so in this program, we really take you week by week, giving you small tasks that are fun to do, they're exciting. And then it gets you a new habit, a new way of being with each other.
Right. So if that sounds interesting for you or you're curious about that, so check our website or just email us. We'd love to see you there.